lovies, I want to get on here and do a quick review video. This is just going to be an unboxing video, well, unpackaging video from a company called Fslwigs. You can find them on Amazon, of course, but yeah. So I got this gorgeous unit from them, and this came in the packaging. And I'm just going to show you the inside of it because these are some of the units that they offer. Very gorgeous units that I love just from looking at the pictures. And they also put a package of 2 wig caps inside. I love when companies include wig caps because y'all, these come in handy. And I'm fighting with this dry skin on my nose. I'm exfoliate. I just tried to wash my face, but I see now I'm gonna have to scrub this sucker. So yeah, but I got this unit from them. I said it was time for me to change my hairstyle. Y'all know I am a stickler about keeping the same hairstyle for a long time. Don't really like doing that. So I got a unit from them, and I wanted something. Sorry, y'all. My phone just do not let me be great when I be trying to record from it. Anyway, so I got this unit from them, and I was like, let me come on here and open it, and I'm covering it. Heck on thing, trying to get this open and show y'all. So yeah, but it looks like this. So this is what it looks like. So pretty. I love the way it looks. I love the way that hairline looks on it. Like, look at that hairline. So bomb. So bomb. Love it. Love it. Love it. So yeah, this unit retailed for 46 bucks on Amazon. I think I did get like 5% off on it. If I have any coupon codes, I will drop them down below in the description box for you lovelies as well. I'm going to be trying this unit on. It had like I think a 4.8 or 4.5 or 4.8 out of 5 star rating on Amazon. I don't think it was a 5 out of 5, but yeah, had a good rating on Amazon. Just the way it feels great. It's not like your baby doll, you know, kind of hair, really. It's not like that. I don't too much like units like that. And I love the units now that are made like this in the inside. Like, I really love that. And as you can see, it has 3 combs right at the top. So as you can see, 3 combs at the top. Then you have your adjustable straps. So yeah, I don't know. I might just come back and add on to this video instead of just doing a whole separate video. So definitely stay tuned. All right, my love. So this is how this unit turned out. I love it. I did some baby hairs around the front, and y'all, I love it. I think it's so pretty. I just pulled it up in this half up, half down style, and I wish I could have showed y'all the whole process, but I gotta get my recording stuff set up, y'all. So yeah, but just wanted to come and show y'all what I ended up doing to the unit. And yeah, just some baby hairs, and that's about it. I love the way this unit looks. All information will be down below in the description box. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Until next time. Yeah.